in order to find 10% of 60, I'll use the same technique that I use when I multiply fractions. However, I'll start by making my percentage into a fraction, so 10% is 10 over 100. Simplified, that is 1 over 10. And then remember, of means multiply, so I'm going to do 1 over 10 multiplied by 60. We always put a whole number over 1 as a fraction. Then I'll do the routine of checking to see if I can simplify diagonally. That's a voluntary step, remember, but I highly recommend it. I can simplify 10 and 60 because they're both in the 10 times table, so I can divide them both by 10. 10 goes into 10 once, 10 goes to 60 6 times. So I'll end up with 1 over 1 times by 6 over 1. And if I multiply straight across, I've got 1 times 6 is 6, and 1 times 1 is 1, so the final answer is 6. Now that was a straightforward one. Let's try something a little bit more complicated. My next example is 30% of 45. So looking at the percent first, as a fraction 30% is 30 over 100. Remember, a percentage is always going to be over 100. And I'm going to simplify that because they can both be divided by 10 to 3 over 10. Again, remind you that of means multiply. So back to my original question, 3 over 10 multiplied by 45 over 1. Whole number is always over 1. Check to see if you can simplify diagonally. I can only simplify diagonally this way because 10 and 45 are both in the 5 times table. 10 is in the 5 times table twice. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So my new question is 3 over 2 multiplied by 9 over 1. Multiplying straight across, 3 times 9 is 27, and 2 times 1 is 2. And if I simplify that, I end up 2 goes into 27 13 times, with 1 remainder. So 30% of 45 is 13 and a half. Final example, if I go for 75% of 200, I'll turn my 75% into a fraction. 75 over 100. Can I simplify that? Yes, I can. I can divide both 75 and 100 by 25, so I can bring that right down to 3 over 4. So back to my original question, I've got 3 over 4 multiplied by 200 over 1. So I've taken my whole number, which is 200, and turned it into a fraction by just putting it over 1. Then I check to see if I can simplify diagonally, and I can simplify that way because both 200 and 4 are on the 4 times table. So 4 goes into itself once, and 200 divided by 4 is 50. New question then is 3 over 1 multiplied by 50 over 1. Multiplying straight across, 3 times 50 is 150. 1 times 1 is just 1, so my final answer is 150.